Hi everybody, and welcome to the third and last part of the AWS storage. So we've looked at the S3 buckets, we looked at the elastic block storage, and in this one we're going to look at the elastic file system. So the EFS provides a simple, scalable, elastic file system for Linux-based workloads for use with the AWS cloud services and on-premise resources. It's built to scale on demand to petabytes without disrupting applications, growing and shrinking automatically as you add and remove files, so your applications have the storage they need when they need it. It's designed to provide massively parallel shared access to thousands of EC2 instances, enabling your applications to achieve high levels of aggregate throughput and IOPS with consistent low latencies. Now, it's a fully managed service that requires no changes to your existing applications and tools, providing access through a standard file system interface for seamless integration. It's a regional service storing data within and across multiple availability zones for high availability and durability. You can access your file systems across availability zones, regions, and VPCs and share files between thousands of EC2 instances and on-prem servers via the Direct Connect or a VPN with the Amazon Web Services. Now you might be asking, well, what's the difference between an EFS or an S3 or an EBS? Well, this table gives you a good comparison in terms of the differences between the three main storage services offered by AWS. Now, the EFS is basically a file storage. The S3 buckets are object storage, and the EBS is a block-based storage. The majority of the changes comes in terms of the access and use cases. So first and foremost, you have to look at your own business and your own IT uses and see what type of storage will suit your needs the best. Now, just an exam tip, most of the time when a question is asked in terms of the best storage, the S3 would be your answer. The S3 would be your best answer because that is the main storage service that is recommended by Amazon and that is used by most businesses, whereas the EFS and EBS are limited in terms of their scope and in terms of their use. But the S3 can be used consistently throughout any services that are offered by Amazon Web Services. So hopefully you guys got a good overview in terms of the different storage classes that are offered by AWS, the S3, the EBS, the EFS, and the Glacier, which is the long-term storage. So let's go ahead and log into our management console and see where we can find EFS and what different configuration options are available for us.